This is my rear wheel drive Evo. It has a Nissan Silvia CA18 motor making 200 kilowatts. It has an MX-5 rear end in it, and today we're doing some POV drifting. Let's go. So as you can see, it's a little bit wet right now. The CA18 is super punchy, so it's a little bit interesting to drive in the wet. Full street trim. We've got a passenger right now. Let's go. Sounds glorious though. This is such a fun car, eh? I know, it sounds so good, eh?
Trying to screw in, eh? Oh, cunt! Jesus!
I didn't see him. Better.
Way better.
First set of tyres cooked. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that raw POV style drifting video of the Rear Wheel Drive Evo. I had an absolute blast driving it. And of course, now we have some damage that we need to fix. But you guys will be seeing that this week, because on Wednesday, we're gonna start our 12 days of Mike Miss daily vlogging up until Christmas Day. There's gonna be giveaways in every single video, so get excited about that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I appreciate the support. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Poos! This thing sounds just absolutely ridiculous. Hell yeah. Woo! Bye!